Alright, YouTube, Tiki and Dan here. We're going to play some old school Jeezy. It's called Welcome Back from the Recession. Look at that piece of shit, Lincoln. Well, yeah, hit me up.
Why you been in the streets? They missing you. Welcome back, welcome back.
Oh, shaking quite a bit. Oh, got some spoiler flags. Sound quality. This is know how spaceheads like to hear some sound quality once in a while. So yeah, sound quality sounds pretty good actually for having a ported box, and overpowering this sub. Ooh, look at that truck. Well, anyways, I'm gonna play some old school Jeezy again. The song's called Wordplay, and tell me what you think. All right, later.
I ain't keeping the pop, nigga, all the critics against you. But the streets love you. no crack. Boss, congratulate that nigga. Get what you can break that nigga. Break that nigga.
Alright, you guys. Well, that's it for today. Tell me the thing. And, Slam Fest is coming up, so I have an hour worth of vids of that. I'm gonna fill up this camera like crazy, so, yeah, definitely subscribe for that. It's been like in about a month, October 2nd through the 3rd. Can't wait. Then we got another car show next week to go to, so I'll have videos from that. Maybe a car show this week, and I'm thinking about going to that, I'm not too sure. So, yeah, just tell me what you think, alright? Peace.